African, Westlove Cranima. Fire notice again. Hey, Oh Stino, MikeAngel.
Africa, that's why we come from. Africa, a beautiful country. Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa, that's why we come from. Africa, a beautiful country. Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa, a beautiful country. Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa, that's why we come from. Africa, a beautiful country. Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African.
Many things come from Africa. Pretty girls come from Africa. Good weather, find it in Africa. Everything is nice. If you wanna go to another country, you still the best. Uganda. If you wanna go to another continent, you still the best. Mother Africa.
Africa,
that's why we come from.
Africa,
a beautiful country.
Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa,
that's why we come from.
Africa,
a beautiful country.
Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African.
Nenda bikwa na ive aningeno fasi Africa. Ndimo Africa, nerichira chirema sama Africa. I'm a black man, ndodara melanini. Nichita dodi vanga vatu Africa lotu.
Africa,
that's why we come from.
Africa,
a beautiful country.
Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa,
that's why we come from.
Africa,
a beautiful country.
Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa,
that's why we come from.
Africa,
a beautiful country.
Our motherland where we came from. If you a black man, you are African. Africa,
that's why we come from.